We've moved down to Elvet Studios now. Just like to point out what you need to do for fire safety and for ease of cooking in this particular unit. Make sure that when you're cooking that the windows are open. You've also got an extractor fan above the cooking area, so make sure that's out and working as well, so that all the fumes that are going round is circulated out of the building to prevent false alarms. You've also got, in this building you'll see, a fire blanket. If you have a problem on the stove and something is a lot of smoke or some flames, pull it out of there, drop it on and leave it there for a good few minutes until everything cools down, and then we'll obviously have a look at it, because the alarm will have probably gone off and we'll be down to see what the situation is. You've also make sure that you use the sensor. Don't cover it, don't play with it, leave it as it is. It's there for your safety, and make sure that it's left as it perfectly is so that it works as it should do. Okay, so as I say, that's what you need to do for fire safety within Elvet Studios. Plenty of regulation. Make sure you've got the extractor on. If you have a problem, the fire blanket, but make sure you keep the sensor clear. Right, another important aspect of our fire safety is that we do fire tests on a Thursday between 10 and 12. The bells will go off for approximately about 10 minutes, and if it's between these times you needn't respond to them. It is just a test, just go about your normal business, and the bells will silence after 10 minutes. So I'll give you the sound of the bells so you know what you will hear. We've shown you what the sound of the fire bells sounds like. So as I say, if you hear those bells outside of the normal Thursday 12 or 10 till 12 fire tests, you need to exit the building. The exits for Elvet Studios are in the corner there, behind us, beside the laundry. There's also one at the rear of the building which takes you to the externals as well. So make sure you've memorised where your nearest exit is. The lifts won't work, so don't try and use those. Make sure you use the stairs. Once you're out, if you're in the courtyard, you need to head this way. If there's a fire alarm activating, these gates will be open, but as there isn't at the moment, press the button to open. So we've come around the external of the building, because as soon as the bells go, you leave the building. You don't walk through the building, you use the nearest exit. This is the main entrance, so a lot of people will be coming out of this entrance as well. You come out of here, the door will be open again, it's all preset, and you come to the muster point. And the muster point for Elvet Studios is in this particular area here, away enough from the building so that everybody is safe. So again, you hear the bells outside of the fire test, make sure you exit the building by the nearest fire exit. Don't use the lifts because they won't work, and then muster here so we know where everybody is. We will endeavour to get to the building as quickly as possible to see what the situation is, and hopefully it's just a matter of somebody's had a false alarm with cooking or a shower, and we'll be able to get you back in as quickly as possible. Thank you.